Imagine you're driving down the highway, enjoying the beautiful and scenic road trip, and suddenly you hear that dreaded sound, a hissing noise indicating a flat tire. Now you could be miles away from the nearest gas station or a puncture shop. What would you do? Well, this is where Fleet Tracks, this tire inflator, comes to the rescue. With this, you can quickly and easily inflate your tires right then and there. It makes sure getting you back on the road and avoiding any potential dangers. But it's not just for emergencies. Folks, regular tire maintenance is very crucial for optimal performance and fuel economy. With the tire inflator at your disposal, you can easily check and adjust the tire pressure as needed, which ensures a smooth and efficient ride every time. Now we understand the importance of having a tire inflator. Let's dive into the unboxing and see what this FleetTrax tire inflator is all about. It has FleetTrack branding on its front, which is an affordable tracking brand. On one side, it is mentioned car, motorcycle, bicycle, electric bike and ball with which this device is compatible. It's just on the back side some main features are mentioned which we will practically test later in this video. On the last side, there are some specifications and packaging details over here. Now let's unbox it. First of all, we get this nozzle to fill air in football or basketball. Type-C cable for charging and a small cute bag which you can later use to carry this device. A warranty registration card and a manual along with it. Apart from this, there is one more lovely thing and it's FleetTrax keychain. Now let's put all these things aside and focus on the main product. It has a very premium feel and it's quite compact. Like on the front you get a small display and some buttons. Below the button you get FleetTrax branding. Now you might be wondering that where is the air filling pipe? Well, this pipe is here. It has been designed very well that there is no fear of losing this pipe. Whenever you want to fill air, you can take it out from here and screw it in this hole. Apart from this, you have been given a LED light on top, which can help you to find the nozzle of your tire at night. There is a Type-C port for charging and some air vents. To turn it on, you have to long press the power button. After that, it will show you the current pressure and recommended pressure under it. If you press the U button, you can change the unit of pressure to PSI, bar, kPa or kilogram per centimeter square. Most of the time, we Indian use PSI unit. With this plus button, you can increase the pressure and with this minus button, you can decrease the pressure. You can use these both buttons to get your desired output. This bar on the side shows the percentage of battery. With this M or mode button, you can shift to the different mode such as car, bike, bicycle and football. It also shows you a recommended pressure in different modes, which is a good thing in my opinion. Now let's go out and test it practically. We will test it in both car and bike. There is less air in the rear tire of my car. Let's test this device to top up this tire. First of all, you have to put one side of this pipe in the inflator and other side in the nozzle of the tire. Once again, you have to turn it on by long pressing the power button, and as soon as you turn it on, you will see the current pressure of the tire, which is 32 psi in my case. This tire needs air pressure up to 35 psi, for which I have to set 35 in this device, but this device has given me a recommended unit already. Now you have just to press the power button once more and it will start filling the tire. You may find its noise a bit high, but trust me, it's not. Its noise is so much less as compared to other tire inflators. It will fill the tire completely in a few minutes, and one good thing about this is that it automatically switches off after reaching the set pressure. It took me a total of 2 minutes to fill this tire from 32 to 35. And if it used to fill an empty tire, then it will take 7 to 8 minutes to completely fill the tire. Now let's test it on the bike. This is my bike which I haven't used for a long time. You can understand it from the dust lying on it. The process of filling air in the bike is also the same. First you need to connect the air pipe and turn it on. The current pressure of my bike's tire is only 15.5 psi. Using the mode button, I shifted its mode to motorcycle and turned on the inflator. But this time, due to less air in the tire, it took me around 6 to 7 minutes to fill it completely. After using this device for 2 days in different vehicles, I like many things about this device, but there is one thing that I didn't like about this device. Personally, I feel its inflating speed is bit slow, but considering its size and portability, it is justified. Its size is so compact that you can keep it anywhere in your car or in your bag. If you are a bike rider, then there is no better option than this for you. If you want to get an idea of its size, I have placed it next to my iPhone 12 Pro for reference. Apart from its size, it is very easy to use, whereas other tire inflators comes with a long wire which cannot be used by bikers as they require 12-volt supply. And for car drivers, it become a daunting task to handle those wires. Apart from this, you get a 4000 mAh battery inside this, which can easily fill 3 or 4 completely empty tires or top it up 7-8 times. The LED light given in it is also very practical. You can use it to find the nozzle of your tire at night, or you can use it to find the keys that drop inside your car. Overall, this is a big bang in a small packet. I hope you like both this video and this device. If you have any question regarding this device, feel free to comment. See you in the next video.